Example, gusto mo ng jet plane?
Siyempre.
Alright, di ganitang 5. Gusto mo?
Siyempre.
Ngayon na.
Siyempre.
Saan mo ipaparada?
Yun lang.
Exactly. Dami mong ambisyon, hindi ka handa. Hinahanda ka. You have to understand there are 2 things in life. It's either I'm taking what's mine or I'm just waiting for it to be given, to receive. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Dami kang pangarap, wild, malaki. Dahil naisip mo yan, itinanim yan. At nandyan na yan available. In science, we call it quantum field.
Nangyari na.
Nangyari na. The 5D world. Kaso labat wala pa. Hindi ka handa eh. No ngayon, anong culture natin? Grind.
Yeah,
Hustle.
I was about to say.
Hustle. Palakihan ng... Di baling magkasakit. Okay lang. Di baling walang pa. Tapos sasabihin mo sa anak mo, anak, pasensya na ha. Para to sa pagmamahal ko sa'yo. Tapos ito, nagkakasakit ka na. Hindi. I have to get it. Nakuha mo. Right? But then again, it created all the crazy disaster in your life. Because you took what's yours, but you're not ready yet. You need to prepare your vessel. Kasi pag handa ang vessel, Bray, ilalapag yan ang pusa. Ibibigay. Again, 2 things. Taking it versus just receiving. But some people kasi, ang tagal naman, Lord. Huwag ka mag-antay. Mag-prepare ka. That's why the preparation here is number 1, hard work.
So you believe in hard work?
Of course, but not in the work itself. The hard work that I'm talking about is to really work hard on your internal system. Rewiring, reprogramming.
Okay.
Work so hard in a way that you're just preparing yourself. So the first hard work I want you to understand is